Today I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. Sign into your Shopify account. Once you're on your Shopify dashboard, go to the left side menu and click Settings. In the Settings menu, select Apps. Then click Shopify App Store. In the App Store search bar, type QuickBooks and press Enter. Find the QuickBooks app in the results, then click it to open the app page. On the app page, click Install. Shopify will now show the permissions the app needs to connect with your store. Review the permissions, then click Update or Approve to continue. After that, you'll be asked to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your QuickBooks login details and continue. This connects your Shopify store to your QuickBooks account. Once the connection is approved, go back to Shopify. Open Settings, then go back to Apps. You should now see QuickBooks listed as one of your installed apps. Click QuickBooks to open the app settings. From there, follow the setup steps shown on the screen. You may be asked to choose what data you want to sync, such as sales, orders, customers, products, inventory, taxes, or payouts. Review each option carefully so the data goes into QuickBooks the right way. When everything is set, click Sync Data or start the first sync. QuickBooks will begin pulling your Shopify information into your account based on the settings you selected. After the first sync, check QuickBooks to make sure your Shopify sales and related data are coming in correctly. And that's how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online in 2026.